National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeast New York, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:53 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. In addition, this storm may have winds up to 1 inch an hour. This storm was located near Scarsdale, or near White Plains, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Harrison, Rye, Port Chester, Stamford, and Darien, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's number one killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening in southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York